Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 5 most anticipated sedans for young drivers in 2025. Young drivers today want style, power, technology, and innovation in their cars. The 2025 lineup offers some of the most exciting models yet, including the Lexus LX 500, Audi A8, Audi R5, Subaru WRX, and Yangwang U9. Whether you're looking for luxury, performance, or electric speed, these sedans have something to offer. 1. 2025 Lexus LX 500, the high-tech luxury sedan. Engine: 3.5L twin-turbo V6, 409 HP, with hybrid max option. Technology: 14-inch touchscreen, AI voice assistant. Interior: handcrafted leather, ambient lighting. Performance: rear-wheel drive, adaptive suspension. Safety: Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, autonomous emergency braking. A perfect mix of luxury and performance. The Lexus LX 500 is ideal for young professionals who want premium comfort with advanced tech. 2. 2025 Audi A8, the flagship luxury sedan. Engine: 3.0L turbo V6, 335 HP, and plug-in hybrid, 462 HP. Quattro AWD ensures smooth, stable handling. Interior: 12.3-inch virtual cockpit, AI assistant massaging seats. Luxury features: 4-zone climate control, high-end materials. Autonomous driving, level 3 self-driving capabilities. For prestige, power, and cutting-edge tech, the Audi A8 remains a top choice in the luxury sedan market. 3. 2025 Audi R5, the high-performance sports sedan. Engine options: turbo V6, 450 HP, and full EV, 600 plus HP. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Design: sleek coupe-like shape with an aggressive front end. Interior: Alcantara sport seats, digital instrument cluster. Technology: AI-assisted driving, real-time performance tracking. Young driving enthusiasts will love the Audi R5 for its powerful engine and thrilling speed. 4. 2025 Subaru WRX, the rally-inspired sedan. Engine: 2.4L turbo boxer, 310 HP. AWD: Subaru's symmetrical AWD with torque vectoring. Design: wider stance aerodynamic enhancements. Interior: sport bucket seats, digital dashboard. Transmission: manual option for true driving fans. If you want a fun, fast, and rally-inspired sedan, the WRX is a top pick for 2025. 5. 2025 Yangwang U9, the electric super sedan. Power: 1. 300 plus HP quad motor AWD. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.0 seconds. Battery: ultra-fast solid-state charging. Design: low-slung, aerodynamic carbon fiber elements. Technology: AI-driven autonomous driving. The Yangwang U9 is for tech lovers who want an ultra-fast, futuristic electric sedan. Final thoughts: the 2025 sedan lineup offers something for everyone, whether you want luxury, speed, or electric innovation. These 5 models stand out as the best choices for young drivers looking for excitement and cutting-edge technology. Which one are you most excited about? Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.